Number 3, consider the following rational function. Which figure represents the graph of f of x? Find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes of f of x. See lessons 17 and 18. So we're going to find the horizontal and vertical asymptotes of this function here, and that will allow us to figure out what the answer is. So let's first do the easy one. The easy one are the vertical asymptotes. To get the vertical asymptotes, all we have to do is take the denominator and set it equal to 0. So in this case, the denominator is x plus 1. We're going to set that equal to 0 and solve for x. So I'll do that by subtracting 1 from both sides, and I end up with x equals negative 1. So x equals negative 1 is the vertical asymptote. And if I look at the graphs here, it looks like B does not have a vertical asymptote at negative 1. So B cannot possibly be the answer. It can only be A or C. They both have vertical asymptotes at negative 1. So just by finding the vertical asymptotes, we've taken out choice B. We're down to A or C. So now we're going to find the horizontal asymptotes. All right, and to do that, we have to separate out the fractions, and then look at the constant term. In this case, the fraction is already separated out. This is already separated out. So the horizontal asymptote is simply at the constant term. So the horizontal asymptote in this case is y equals 4. So which one, A or C, which one has a horizontal asymptote at y equals 4? It doesn't look like it's going to be C, so it looks like A is the answer. Here's my horizontal asymptote at 4 and my vertical asymptote at negative 1. So the answer to number 3 is A.